so funny. Hi everyone. We're starting the vlog real late tonight. This is the part. It is really late.
It's actually not late.
9:30.
No.
It feels like
it's almost 10 already.
Do you know? Oh, do you know if that door shut tight?
I heard it shut.
You did? Okay. The girls and I are in Salt Lake. Hey girl, Layla is very busy doing some work, so don't bother her.
She got asleep the whole way here.
No, she was watching doo-doo.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh. Anyways, we just got checked into our hotel and Layla had to take this with us. I don't know why. Hey guys, look. Anyways, we're in Salt Lake. The boys are still home. We're in Salt Lake because, hold on, someone's coming. I don't want them to think we're weird. All clear.
Like you can
no one's
film
in the elevator. Come on, sister.
Turn it.
I'm actually going to a class tomorrow. Oh wait, what are we going to? One? And I was originally just going to come down with my cousin Jessie. She couldn't come, and then I decided to bring the girls because party. I mean, what would a weekend be without this one?
I know. What if like Jessie didn't come down today and you were just here alone?
Yeah, I probably wouldn't have come. She couldn't come because her husband had some complications at work, so we're just having a little girls' night. I mean, we got here late, so Jessie will be here in the morning. Oh, cute.
I want this stuff. This stuff's actually so fun to eat.
We're just getting a little snack, a little nighttime snack. You got chips, yum, and a bag. Somehow she got a bag. That's really cute. Want some help? Let's want to put it on the side like mommy. Here, let's see, we need to loosen it. All right, baby. Oh my goodness, Layla, you are wild. I do love your bag though. That was a great choice. Woo!
I about just peed my pants.
Nice. You shouldn't be doing that until you're my age. Today, Braylee said, do you think if I was driving and got pulled over but I had your driver's license that I could pull off being you? And I was like, Mommy, yeah. No.
Do we look like? I look so red.
Well, it's the lighting in here. No, it's the lighting in here. And I was like, girl, maybe if I were in my 20s, maybe that would happen, but no.
Oh, you did?
They're right here. I looked on the lamp. All hotels are different. Okay.
Wait, I want to show them what I got.
I was saying we just decided to get some snacks. We ate on the way down, and we're just getting some snacks and watching some TV.
I got chapstick. I have
so
another one.
You got that so you can lose it this week.
I know. Like I've had this one
really
for so long. Chapstick. I like this kind actually. That's why I bring the places because I don't care if I lose it.
And that's the one that you'll have forever.
Yeah. Do you guys like the pomegranate one for Burt's Bees?
I think it's good.
Smell it.
It smells so good.
I hate the smell of it.
Really?
Yeah.
That's weird. It's weird how you like and dislike scents. Anyways, that's what we're doing. I have to wake up early, so we can't party for too long tonight because Jessie's picking me up at like 7:45 and we need to be, we're still about 45 minutes from where I'll actually be tomorrow, and so, you know, gotta get to bed. Gotta get up early, and I'm so pumped and excited for tomorrow. Good morning. I just got done getting ready. I'm waiting for Jessie, who's stuck in traffic. I feel so bad. To pick me up, and then we'll be on our way to the workshop. I don't know if I called it a conference. It's a workshop. It's the Allison Brand School. I got to work with Allison a few years ago, and I was a huge fan of hers before then, and she was so sweet and just so awesome and fun, and she puts together these workshops for brands. It's mostly for brands to teach them how to sell. And when I filled out the questionnaire, I was like, oh shoot, maybe this isn't for me. I don't necessarily like have a brand or have something to sell right now, and I was kind of like feeling like, oh shoot, maybe this isn't for me. And I was telling Casey, and he was like, what? You can learn so much. You are your brand. Like, you should go. It's gonna be so fun. And I'm just grateful. I'm grateful to have a husband who has always like pushed me to like work hard and not give up on myself, because I just think that that's so important in a partnership. I feel like I try to do the same for him, and I was just really grateful because I was like, oh no, I don't know why we ever self-doubt and second guess ourselves, because I know it's going to be awesome. And I really hope that one day that I'm not my brand, but I do have something more to offer. Braylee and I have a lot of things that we're working on, and I think I've mentioned so many times that there's something that I really wanted to create and make that feels so special to me, and I want it to be done just right. So I've started working on it, and then it hasn't worked out the way that I wanted it to, and it's just something that I'm hoping that I can make and give to you guys soon. So anyways, with that being said, I'm so excited, and I'm just ready to see what today has in store, and hopefully I'll have a lot to share with you guys over the next little while when we kind of get things going. I just know that a lot of the things that I'll learn today I can use and will just help me. I do feel like it's important for me at this time to kind of rebrand who I am alone, just as who am I as Kayli, aside from everyone else, aside from even Casey, who am I just alone. That's what I want to figure out. Also, I think I made this mistake. My bra strap is showing through, and it's like that bra strap. Should I change it? I think I should. Dang it. Things we don't think about. Ah! So happy to be with Jessie. You have no idea.
I'm happy too.
We're late. That's fine.
We're only 9 minutes late. That's really not late. That's just fashionable.
Guess who's always late too? Must run in the family. I'm okay with it. I'm so used to being late that I know it's like, I know it can be disrespectful, and I do feel bad about that. But I'm used to being the jerk that walks in late. I'm working on it. There was traffic. That was the reason. There was traffic. Jessie got stuck in it. It's fine. It worked out. I was able to get my kids breakfast, and sometimes it's just like meant to be. We are in Provo, Utah at this cool building. What is this building called? Do you remember?
And we showed up in the same pants.
Oh yeah.
This is the Provo City Library.
It's really pretty. Anyways, we're gonna be the ones walking in late. You know what else? I got my like questionnaire in late. I'm a disaster. I'm a disaster of a human.
It's okay, because she's probably the last one on everyone's mind, which is wonderful.
You know what?
The first one.
Oh yeah. They're like, oh, there she is. I read her questionnaire.
Hey Kayli. There you are.
Can we go right here?
I think so.
Shoot, do I have to have a ticket?
No.
Okay.
Please don't worry.
It's the next day, and we just went to Target. There's not a Target where we live, so when we go anywhere, we usually go to Target. And Layla got a surprise baby. We're always coming out with new things that we have to get.
Wait, don't let her open it yet.
She is opening it. Do you want to come see? Me and Braylee love it more than she does, let's be honest. Look at this. Oh my gosh.
What movie is it?
You can't really see it. Aww. Wait, do you get her eyes wet? I think you get her little eyes wet and then they open. That is cute, Layla. Want me to help you open that? Okay.
Me and my mom like forced her to get it.
Oh, it's a baby spider. That's so cute. We can put water in it. And this is her blankie. Oh, is that so sweet? Let's see. Okay. Yeah, so she's sleeping, and then I think you get her eyes wet. Yep, I was right. I watch way too many unboxing videos, clearly, with my children. We got some fun things for the outdoor space at our house because I just really want it to look cute, and I want to hang out there a lot. And now the weather is warm and nice, and so we just got like a few lights to hang. I'm so excited. And Braylee got a really cute little hammock chair for her bedroom, which is supposed to go outside, but she wants it in her bedroom, and I agreed that it had to go in there. It's this one right here. I'm trying to get the house finished and put together and all looking great. Yeah? Yeah. You're feeding your baby? Do you love her? She's a cutie. Good choice, sis.